sight indeed. It's summer rain. Hey guys. I haven't vlogged in a couple days. I don't got very much space on the camera anyway. But, as you can tell, I don't know, well, we have a summer rain on our hands. It smells amazing. It smells really good, guys. Oh yeah, I cut my hair. It's terrible. Not really fixed or anything. Turned into wetting my lawn. But anyway, summer rain is the best. If you guys aren't in California, it doesn't rain here very often anymore. Orange County doesn't rain very often. But when it rains, it's really nice, especially the summer rain, because it's like warm. It's like really warm. Feel that? Feel it? It's warm. Anyway, I would walk out over there. It's getting harder too. This is like a little snippet of just a little part of, hey look, it's actually raining. Anyway guys, I will see you guys later. Hopefully I will get around to actually posting all this stuff. I got like an hour and a half of footage. I just don't have time to edit it and put it on the computer and everything. I don't have that much time anymore. Resting, sitting on my iPad doing nothing. But anyway, hopefully it gets much harder than just that. But I mean, look at this. Like, you can see me in the mirror. We got cats over there. I mean, look. You can see the stuff falling off my roof. Or cat anyway. But yeah, rain, it's amazing. Anyway guys, I will see you guys. What's in my fridge? What's in my fridge? Let's see how messy my fridge is. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Ooh, orange juice. So someone's gotta clean this.
Someone want cherries.
Cherries.
Right here. Behind you.
Check.
Grandpa said no.
Cherries.
Grandpa said no.
Cherries. Cherries.
Are you obsessed with cherries now?
Look how messy my kitchen is. I need to clean this. I kind of go to bed.
You need to clean it.
I want to clean it.
That's what Grandpa's for.
I know. I should clean it.
I said that's what Grandpa's for.
Anyway, so I found my orange juice. Check this out. My parents love me so much. They let me drink orange juice straight from the jug. Anyway guys, I'm really not going to clean that. It's just messy. I want to try this warp thing though. Ooh. Let's see. Let's try it. orange juice. Anyway, so I might actually start doing that, because anyway, guys, I went to bed at 7 because I was really tired. I wanted to take a nap, so I just got my pajamas on and I went to bed. Now look what time it is. I woke up 40 minutes ago. So back out. That's bad. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna let you go because it's really late. I might actually go back to bed. But I'm gonna just sit on YouTube, watch more Heroes, hopefully fall asleep. I don't know, guys. I will see you guys.
How is that possible, guys?
No way!
What is that?
How's that flying alone? How?
Anyway, so we're shooting today. It's like 90 degrees and there's a flying vlogception.
No! Camera battle! Ah! Okay. No! Okay, I got you. Apple! For apple!
Hey, I love apples.
Anyway, guys, so let's stop messing around. Anyway, so
Okay.
what we're gonna end up doing?
Anyways, guys, so we just
We're just not doing
shooting
anything.
in the middle.
And it's going away. Anyway, so let's just get back over to the our shooting because I want to vlog and I also want to do this and this and this. And anyway,
Stop talking.
blah,
Bleh.
blah,
Bleh.
blah,
Bleh.
blah.
Okay, back to movie
Anyway.
mode. Yay! Okay.
Yay, movie mode.